Greasy mitenand. For tonight's dinner, we're showing you how to make Chinese scallion pancake, or in real Chinese, butchered by my accent, is called Cong You Bing. This is the beloved street food in the old country of China. Are you excited to give this universally adored dish a try? If so, let's get ready to dive into the kitchen and master the ancient art of making Cong You Bing together. Let's start with the dough. In a big bowl, combine 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of salt, and 360 milliliters of very hot water, near boiling. About 80 degrees Celsius would do. Mix the flour and water until everything is just combined. Then transfer your rough dough to a flat and floured surface. Dust your hands with some flour to reduce stickiness. Gently knead the dough for 5 to 8 minutes until an elastic and relatively smooth ball is formed. Brush the dough with a layer of oil and wrap it up with plastic wrap. Be careful not to leave any air bubbles. Once it's nicely wrapped up, you can leave the dough to rest in the fridge for about 1 or 2 hours, or even better, overnight. Before you take the dough out and work with it again, remember to first prepare the oil mixture. In a pan over medium heat, heat up 6 tablespoons of neutral cooking oil and 6 teaspoons of sesame oil with 3 tablespoons of flour. Mix them all together and let it sit on medium heat until it starts bubbling. When the whole surface has bubbled, remove the oil mixture from the heat and let it cool down. While waiting for the oil to cool completely, you can take out your well-rested dough, unwrap it, and divide it into 4 equal parts. With your skillful hands, roll it out into an elongated roll about 30 centimeters long, just like how we make little snakes with a Play-Doh in kindergarten. Remember? Then, once rolled out, press the dough flat with your hand. Next, use a rolling pin to roll it out to a rectangular flat shape about 1/3 of a centimeter thick. After your dough has been transformed into a nice wide flat rectangular, brush the oil mixture on the whole surface of the dough and then sprinkle green onion, pepper, chili flakes, and garlic. Chili and garlic are optional, but they taste sensational, so we really recommend it. Then slowly roll it up like we do here. Just pull, roll, and tuck, gently and tightly, but not too tight. Once the rectangular dough is rolled into a nice long thin roll, roll it up again into a coil or a snail shape like so. Then use a rolling pin and roll the snail flat. You're almost there. It's time to cook it. In a pan with some oil, over medium heat, lay the pancake in and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Be careful to check the pancake often so as not to burn it. After the cake is nicely golden and crispy on the outside, take it out of the pan. Now, you can eat this pancake by itself, which is totally delicious already, or you can pimp it up even more with a dipping sauce. Simply mix together 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce with about 2 grams of grated ginger. And you've gotten yourself a delightful sauce that goes perfectly with a crispy pancake. And voila! There you have it, your very own scallion pancake that's better than any American Chinese restaurant appetizer. You have been doing a lot of rolling for this dish, and now there's only one step left. That is to roll yourself in the heavenly deliciousness of these flaky and chewy pancakes. But before you roll away, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more scrumptious recipes. And now, all that's left is, and with that, bon appetit, itadakimasu, mời cả nhà ăn cơm, and begin.